Yes, my people, I'm back again. Sorry, guys, that video I fed you, and I never finish it like that. Though I don't talk with you, I want to talk, but just again, I want to end the video, you understand? So, like I said before, I believe yes, but I don't see calm down. You know, go to some people now, you're talk. What if God pay me pass again? They no come meet you face to face. They tell you say, I dey vex for you, guy or sister, I dey vex for you. I be your like you. Because you come talk for video, they don't go like you, they don't go fear meet you, they don't go bold. Therefore, come on, I can ask the person, the man or the woman, say, I be your like you, but why can't they do video? I can't vex for you. Now go see what you don't want to get to return the answer. All this life, na free word. Happiness is free. Do what it go make you happy. Not do what the person go dey think. Not do what the person go like or what the person no go like. I mean, no. Like, I dey talk that English. Please, no, please other people, make you can't displease yourself. You can't please person yourself because I don't want me this brother verse, so I don't want my sister verse. So you the please and I know make this my people, my group of people, or my church member verse, or my family or whoever verse. But you dey displease yourself inside your body. I don't understand. The guy they be now. The level of this world don't pass that kind of thing now. Don't pass those kind of level. You do what it in your mind. As far as they give you happiness, freedom, happiness is very free. That's just come out and just see come out. Life not get duplicate. Life not get to life. You just see come out, it don't finish. We dey pray more will last more enjoy our fruit of labor. Because person they suffer, especially for this diaspora suffer day well. For only the coil low with the entire person body, it reach to even make person the verse or make person head decrease, not be loud. God will go blast you, will be saying your mama, your partner born you for cycle. But the God will go blast you, reach to the person the colo meta, the person go see day or day she. We, especially we Africa, will see day like say maybe nothing they happen, we'll see day bunsha. It's not easy. Or even if it's our country where they hot for nearly 1 year or 2 years like that. They are in short, I don't know what they talk. They're not there where like we go there where. They go say run come here, come take treatment, come Europe here. Because he take their cold for body. They don't feel that mindset, they like that heat. Don't say the heat or the sun. Now just for a period of time, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depend on the country. Like this place of the self for Jamie. Our heat not even reach 1 month that they don't finish. With the August so now, August now, so I talk to you now. People they wear jackets most more and not be loud. People they Jamie, they know what they talk. For real, but nobody's supposed to be hot well. While that place like Spain, Greece, Italy, they hot anyhow because they get friends for them, they call me. If you see what they go wear, we know what dreamer we are for Jamie. So everyone not be the same. So happiness is free. Nobody should just be angry of anybody. If you like the person, like naturally, forget what he can do, what he not can do. So I say the person they do the person they thief, not they kill anybody. So show me that a free word if you talk, if you want to talk. If you don't want to say talk, maybe by force you say lock up, you say keep yourself, hide yourself, or sit down on your lane. You know me say you not be talk. Now me I fair talk, I fair preacher. Say yes. Many people, you know, we never even talk once for social media, and they, most of them are they even talk pass. And they go if you speak that English pass correctly. And they go if you talk pass for being for any language where you talk. Broken English or whatever. They can say it. But because they don't just want to do it, or they are a kind of shy, they are not bold enough, or rather they are just trying to respect or to just keep some repetition. You know, their family background, that is why they don't want to do it. You understand? Of course, those people that are doing it, it does not mean that they don't want to keep their repetition. It does not mean that they don't want to respect themselves. It does not mean that they don't want to keep their family out of it, social media. They really love to do it. Of course, so far, don't put your leg in anybody's toes. If you can't put your leg for anybody's toes, of course, then they'll come to kill your repetition. But if you're on your lane, stand on your lane. You know, you talk for their matter. If you want to talk for their matter, you may just say, okay, before you go sleep, shook your mouth, put the whole word on the carrier. Be like person we see died 3-4 days ago. I don't see her for many platforms, more than 10 platforms that they say, hey, rest in peace, Chuchu die. I can see waiting the next day, people can see they confirm for me because the top would say, well, rest in peace. Because if there's one man that they sing, they say if you see who they happy, follow happy. If you see who see die, see join and see more. Now so that's the happy now birthday and the right time, congratulations. If not marriage, your congratulations. If won't pick you whatever, congratulations. The person still die. I go say right, oh rest in peace, oh so sad, oh sorry for the loss. Now so will it be. You understand me, not be anything. Me not understand the kind of people. All the same as they do. Social, if not be say, not be lie, if not be say because of one thing or the other. Me, I for don't pass this stage for social media, me I know. And because of one reason or the other, I just keep calm. And I get children, I need to just take care. And I know say children they take person time. Now not since I started to do video, you understand? My pikin come and they say, Mama, make you want sleep. Make me lower my voice for kitchen. As in, you not talking with a mouth, we want small pikin 4 years, but the way they cry, come here, I know say, like my noise don't they disturb her. Now I can't lower my voice for her in the video based on say, I just want to receive call, and they wait for important call from my phone. And the person not get the other number and this number. Don't say why they wait for the call. That's why I continue to do live, I can call and send the person message. And I want to tell me, so I need to answer that call. You understand? If not, say maybe children and one or two things, me, I know say me for don't even pass this stage of the social media, I know, but small, like I always say, a book by that, you know, understand me? So guys, stop. So they like, oh, this girl, my like and before, I like and before this, my like, and why go to social media, not concern you. Now, wait, you know whether I'm going to go give her happiness. You want the woman not be the same. You want the man not be the same. For example, your name is John. The woman name the man name you know John. The man name Peter. How Peter and John to be the same? Can't you see say a different spelling? Can't you see a different alphabet? Can't you see? Of course, if they say bring Peter and John come out, and you realize say Peter and John are different face they get, now different color they get. One feel yellow, one feel black. Now so it be everybody they different. Don't say oh this woman can do social media that can do I'm not gonna like kindly or mona tell me she stop now. No, not be your not concern you not be your life now in life. She not be the woman not be small picking, the man not be small picking. Now we go they give her happiness like she they do. You understand? Now we go give the woman or the woman happiness that they do. Now make it they do one. You understand me so my people. Now we go they give her happiness that they do. Or we go they relieve in mind. But they not go make they think, or they depressed, or they on the psych, or they do one or two things, or go for river, or go kill yourself, or enter train track. People they do or go find what you go your kiddie, or they'll vex, they'll decrease, they go yes. But some people they don't say no, they won't have quite all those things. They also have they do one or two things, or they pour their anything, and I'm not calling frustration, depression, whatever I'm calling, they pour out for social media. Especially if you're poor, they talk their mind, they talk truth. So if I don't step on their toes, they don't go say step on your toes. You understand? This life it goes on anyhow. If you get something from my talk and come out, you're free. It is he where it in the he more than medicine. All those medicine where they give people, you know, they to work. If you get things where they think what you want me to do, just try to they do one small. You know me. Say I never reach on top. Oh, one day you reach on top. One day you must reach on top. Because it's like your dream. That your dream will come to pass. You understand? Of course. That your dream will come to pass one day. You understand me? Yes. Because the thing they pay me, where they vest me, people they talk that they vest. Why they do this one? Why they want to do live video? Why they want to do this one? Why they want to do? You know, concern now. You want to make do one office, do make it step out, may still lock up, may stay ass. Not be anybody, not be person match you do your live video. Not a person data, not a person phone you do. If Mr. Peter did do live video, you will be Mr. John. Now you do one, it concern you. Waiting Mr. Peter to now you talking. I will go by because I will die. If they want to see if I will talk that word, now Peter they will define gonna be you will be John talking. It's very free and simple word. Just see people they say, hey, this woman be like Amu, this might be like Amu. Why go to social media? Me not they do again. Now you want to tell her what you want to. It concern you, not your life. He or she is living their life. They are living their life. You understand? Huh? The life alone self is not balance. Stress day where. Now they got the safe person, the survive person from the stress. If people come out, it can they talk. So if I don't cause you, cause your back, cause your mind, not cause anybody. Why go they say why person they come out for live video they talk? You know, cause you let them talk. Let them talk. You don't know as they talk whether that's what they heal. As they talk now, so it might they come down. As they talk now, so it depression till they come down. As they talk now, so you go they okay. You don't know. Your beer and your take like that, you don't be anything. Your beer and your take like that, you don't mean anything. Well, now you they talk. This person they talk like this, they do like this. And understanding some people for this life. And I guarantee deal. When I try to see change because man, you make sense at all. You make sense. Don't start here. God forbid. It just be the verse me somehow just now. Just see me guy. I don't need to just talk too much. I don't already finish with it. I want to talk. I want to sleep now. So my people now good night. I just want to talk this thing because I really need to talk and come out. Understand? As long as you don't carry anybody come Europe. Yes, I greet you, my sister. Yes, so you never sleep. Yo. Yeah, I want to sleep so I just quickly say make I drop this video. Understand? Or you they talk, they say person they do live video, they do this one. Me, I don't know what's consigned there for inside. Yeah. Person do live video, and waiting corner in life. Now you know now waiting like. You understand? Thank you, my lady Jare. Now in life, you not consign anybody. That's what they like and love, John. Not consign anybody if I do video. Yeah. If you do video now your life, now your phone you do or now your computer or now your wifey. Mrs. A no if you do video now they'll call the draw Mrs. B money for light B or whatever. You understand? But you depends on people why should they do live you want to do that. What do people know if you do? If you let's say person they do under the verse. Eh? And the first okay, you understand. They not go feel just press like for your video or me they share your video. Or me they say comment say nice one and they lie. They not go do one. They will say your video that go scroll past, they will scroll past. But they go they talk and they go they complain. They tell people who know you. Your people say why your brother do live video, why your son do live video not good now. Now you want to tell them what you go do. If you do live video make it do now you log now wait in a month. You know they feed down up you carry and call Europe not be they take off. Now wait till your she like. So far it not cost you. If you not cost you, not cost your mama, cost your papa, cost your brother, cost your sister, cost your husband. You don't need to detox say me, you know they do live video again. Man, I'm no time. I'm no way. Maybe you might be they do the live video. Now God, now animal they do one. Do people they do now 20 head they get. Now 100 head they get me at the ass, I don't know. When via me, we be anywhere. I won't walk by baby. They all have one head the way you see, the way you two get one head, and so they still get one head. If you even look and say most people they do the live video, most of them don't be all. So most of them don't even get any level. You wait this house get level past 100%. You get level past 100 billion%. No, they talk, they do. They do. Say maybe tomorrow, no day. We know the story now, not today. They talk say no, they do live video, now they do this one. If you do live video, they concern you. Now your problem, let them do one. If you don't go, they heal them. So people don't see many things for this life. Many things are not talking. Many things go make them even die, make them go even kill themselves. They go make them drink medicine, they go die, they will drink poison. They'll carry detour or what thing they call any strong something that will drink and make them for your die. They don't care. But because of one or two reasons, they will keep calm. And they go realize say most of them go realize live video dey my go dey pour all my pain for live video, my also go dey talk for live video, that one go see cool my spirit. So far as they talk, you not come cause your mama, cause your papa, you not cause you, cause your husband, cause your children, you not carry your husband for your hand, you not carry your wife for your hand. What's it can be your problem? What's it can be your problem? Some of you now, I beg you, good night. I know me I paro pass this one. I love everybody. Mona your stick. Everybody just say they use brain one you. Because this life you don't get duplicates. Anybody who want to live it may do. So if I not cause you, not cause any of your family member. Now if you cause you, they cause your people before you, they say what you do not good do. As long as they not cause you not cause your family, not do any bad thing. So you and your family, you're buffon, you're not supposed to complain. Not supposed to complain. Yes, so thank you, my lady. You're not supposed to complain. Say, na so. I don't understand. What war me tell me? Especially do live video, that one they do live video. It concern you. Do your own. Talk your own. Do everybody, body. Nobody is perfect. Huh? Especially they do live video. You get why they do one. You know the reason. Not be small picking. Not be small picking. What they do, matured man or matured woman will do live video. Now small picking, don't know what you want. You know that one they give one joy, that one they relieve your mind, and that one they cure your depression or your stress. You know, different thing they cure person. So now drink, so now smoke. Some people not be drink, not be smoke. Now live video they cure them. Yes. So now 2021, so we they upgrade every day. Before live video, some people now cigar, now smoke, drink, and a lot of things. Or one or two things where I not even feel the measure for live video and I get cure them. Some will say they all deal with their man. They just sleep together. Their depression or their thinkness go cure. Yes, me, I don't see person like that. Say if you think if you can get problem. If you're there with the guy just touch and they all play together, he don't dey cure, he don't settle for that day. That's why they talk, I'll say, I'll laugh. I say, okay, if you can't settle for that day, or for example, you settle on Sunday, on Monday, you go, if that one not come there around, maybe you go work or you still not they stay with you, see come on go here. You not continue to they think for what you for stop yesterday or day for yesterday. Me don't ask person like that, so you can laugh, you say, you don't tie no man, you want to answer me that question, they strong go. It is strong. The life not balance. Me too, I can laugh, say, forget all those ones. Not be to do with this or that one. You understand? Yes, that one join, but not be to do with this all those things. So I can tell them. So if they do live video, not cause anybody, when I take Canada, when I be around, when I like can like that. If I don't want to see like when I see close to my mouth, when they talk. They say, oh, this person got to do live video, tell her make it stop, now make sure not they do or make it on the 2 again. When I can't stop, why you want to stop the person? You don't know that one they make the person they happy, and that one they cure he thinking. Many people they pass through a lot of things. Where they say, una where they talk, we don't know if you pass through that kind of thing. If you not pass through that kind of thing, I go die, I'll kill myself. When I say the reason they go back, but they think of only front. If I not talk of this life, you think of front, you think of back, think of the side, the two sides. Or you think of say, yes, that one body, I know. But still think about back, what happened before today, thinker is very necessary. Then think of front, say yes, how things could be tomorrow, that one body, like that. If you not cause anybody, when I leave the person. Now if they cause the person for now, say what this person they do, know you're good there, man. Or I love you, what say about no one will live with you. Person go understand, say you know to go do. Say stand on they do that kind of thing again, but I don't do that kind of thing again. I say person on the cost now. I was one, not they live video. I don't understand. Oh no, we live video name me. Why I said TBOA? Why I said TBOA? Why I said it's chest? If he or she feel be around small, now live video can say what they talk, make it they heal himself, make it they okay, they try to they heal himself. When I see the Canada so life be. I better not talk what I want, I don't want me to repeat any other thing again. Now good night, my people. I don't verse, I don't quarrel with anybody. I just want to throw away this message to who it may concern. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you. God bless you. Try to share the video, okay? So that 1 or 2 persons will learn from this, my message. Bye.